Hi everybody, it's Crystal. So, as always, I hope everybody is doing well and staying safe. So I just wanted to do a little update video. I don't know if you all watch my unboxings. Perhaps you do, maybe you don't. Last time I unboxed a mystery box from Kraemer yarns. Now I love Kraemer yarns a lot, and I purchase from them. I buy their mystery boxes often, excuse me, whenever I can find them. But the last one that I received, I noticed that it had a lot of cardboard and grass and dirt. It was really dusty. But it was, and I'm not one to complain. I don't like to complain to yarn companies about that. But a lot of people were telling me that even though I was okay with it, because I could shake it off, it did I do have allergies. I did have to use some Flonase after that. The bottom of the box, the yarn at the bottom of the box was pretty bad. And I know that that is nothing normal for Kraemer yarns. Like I said, I have bought so many times from them, and everything is always in perfect condition. So I know something had to have gone wrong. So upon the recommendation of many of my friends here on YouTube, I decided to email them and just let them know. I said that I didn't want my money back and I didn't want anything for it. I just wanted them to know my experience, to be aware of it, so it doesn't happen to other people. Because the bottom, the yarn was pretty dirty, and like I said, it's not like that. That's not normal for Kraemer, and I would still purchase from Kraemer. That was just a fluke. Well, she got back to me right away and she apologized over a few emails, and she didn't have to keep apologizing, but she was very apologetic in that. And and she said she would see what happened, and just kept saying that she was sorry, and that's fine. I'm good with that. But I got a box today from them. I didn't order it. So nothing I ordered. I don't even know what's in it. So she sent me this small box here. I mean, I don't know what it is because I didn't order it. I'm going to see what it is. So, like I said, that is not normal for Kraemer yarns to have dirty, dusty, grassy yarn in their mystery boxes. It's not. It's a fluke. And like I said, I would purchase from them a million times over again. It's nothing. It was. Let's see what's in it. Want to? It says, "To Crystal with our thanks." Nice. Oh, they sent me some yarn. Just a second here. Okay, I just looked on my email. I did get a notification a couple days ago that I was going to receive some yarn from Kraemer, but I didn't really think much of it at the time. But when I look at it now, I knew I didn't order from it. It says apology yarn. That was not necessary. You didn't have to do that because I said I didn't want anything. I didn't want my money back, and I didn't want it. I didn't want a new mystery box. I didn't want anything. I only wanted to bring awareness so they could check other people's boxes so it didn't happen again. But they so kindly sent me some yarn as an apology. That was so kind of them. Well, let's see what they sent. It seems like they know my colors well. My favorite colors. Oh, that's so nice. Kraemer yarns, man. Stand up company. I've always liked them a lot. They mill here in the U.S. and Pennsylvania. This is the Perfection Kraemer. It's 30% domesticated merino and 70% acrylic, medium weight number 4. That's beautiful. And yes, this is one of my favorite colors. Smells good. That's so kind. See that? Like I said, I mean, they did not have to do this. This is beautiful. A wool acrylic blend. I love wool and I love wool blends. 200 yards in each. That would make a beautiful hat and scarf set. I have enough there to do it. Or a cowl or a bag or anything I wanted. That's beautiful color too. I love that. Thank you very much. It's called Chirp, the color. Wasn't that nice of them? They sent some nice yarn. Oh, this is one of my favorites from Kraemer. The Perfection Lights. This is their sparkly one. The brown is my favorite one that they have. I made a shawl out of it on my channel. I have a few skeins of it here. I haven't made anything with it yet, but this is so nice. Perfection Lights is 28% domestic merino, 70% acrylic, and 2% polyester. So it's a medium weight number 4. This is called Copper Lights, and there are 200 yards per ball in this. Isn't that beautiful? Like I said, this is one of my favorite yarns that Kraemer carries. This particular color is my favorite. You can tell that they know what colors I like just by looking at the box. This was way, way too kind of them. I also love this. I have had this before. It's beautiful. This is called Perfection. I can't. Tapas. 23% domestic merino, 77% acrylic, medium weight number 4. It's very nice. It's beautiful, and I have bought this before in this color because it's my favorite color of all the ones that they have of this particular variety. And there are also 200 yards, and they sent me 2 of those. How kind of them to do that. But that is not it. Look at this beautiful, this is one of the prettiest yarns they make. Well, there's a lot of pretty yarns they make, but this one, these are very, very beautiful. This is their Kraemer Yarns Fountain Hill Mohair Brushed. It's 80% acrylic, 20% mohair. It is so, so beautiful. It is a 2-weight, so if I use it, I would probably hold another yarn with it. And there's 560 yards here. Look at that. I have had this before, but I've given it away in giveaways. Isn't that beautiful? This one is my favorite color of all the Fountain Hill Brushed Mohair. Look at the shine in that. That is so pretty. I love it. And they sent me this one, which is my second favorite color of all the Fountain Mohair. This is beautiful. Look at that one. Can you see the sparkle in that? Wow, that's going to doll up something nice. That is so pretty. Their fountain mohair is really, really nice. I've had it in many colors, and it's so pretty. And it's, like I said, 560 yards of a 2-weight. Even if I worked with a 2-weight, I don't like to do it. But if the yarn's pretty enough, I'll do it. This would make it, I would have enough here to make it gorgeous, like cowl. Something like that, you know. It's so soft, too. See, it's going to have a little bit of a halo because of that mohair. Look at the colors in that. That's so gorgeous. Look at the sparkle in that. Absolutely outstanding. The same with this one. And then they sent me this is of course, this is another one of my favorite colors. This is the fountain mohair, the same, but it does not have the sparkles in it. So this one is called Taffy Lights, in case you're interested. And this one, which is my favorite of the Fountain Hill, this is Deep Rust Lights. Rust. I love rust and brown. And this is just their fountain mohair that doesn't have sparkle in it. Look at that. That's one of my favorite colors of green. That is beautiful. Beautiful. So it's the same, I think it's the same specs. Let me look at the yardage. Yes, it's the same specs, other than this one has the stellina, or the sparkle in it, and this one does not, which does not make it any less beautiful. It's still gorgeous. It's still soft. And I have a very perfect, what do you think about those together? No, I wouldn't do that one. But I got some greens that I could pair with this to make some, that's beautiful. This one's called Freshest. That's the number. So that was what was in the box. Gosh, thank you so much. You didn't have to do that. Now, I generally do not accept free yarn from yarn companies. I mean, I almost always give it away. I feel like though this was since when I read the invoice, it says apology yarn because of the bad or not because of the mystery box was rather unlike them very much, and this is just, they just know me so well. It's unbelievable. And I just want to say thank you for this. You didn't have to do this. This was not necessary. I mentioned that. Like I said, I told them that I didn't want anything for it. I didn't want my money back. I just wanted to make sure that they could look into it. And that it didn't happen to anyone else. But they still took it upon themselves to try to make it right. And what can you say? Gosh, Kraemer Yarns, thank you so much for doing this. And the yarn you picked out was all absolutely gorgeous. It's all just screaming the Bagoday colors. I mean, these are just my favorite colors and some of my favorite yarns from your site. I mean, gorgeous. Look at all them colors. Every one of those colors is me, so you must watch my videos. Or you know because of what I buy from you. One of the two. Thank you so much. And I'll tell you what, Kraemer Yarns, you just went up another notch in my book for this. This was just outstanding. You went above and beyond of what you had to do, and it's greatly appreciated. And you know what? I think I might just go to your site right now and pick out some more yarn just to show you some more support. Isn't it? Is today 4:30? Isn't it Small Yarn Company Day? Is that it? Or was that yesterday? Well, whatever. I'm gonna support you again because I love to support small businesses, and you did this for me. I think it's the first time any yarn company has ever done that. I mean, they've sent me boxes out of the blue just for me to, they want me to unbox it, you know, and you know, advertise for them. But this was a thank you. I didn't even have to unbox it on camera, but I just wanted to show everybody how awesome Kraemer Yarns is. So, thank you very much. Yes, I'm going to go hit your site up right now. Thank you, Kraemer, and thank you, everybody who's watching. I love y'all. Stay safe. Remember, excellent customer service. I mean, this proves it right here. They tried to make a wrong into right, or they made a wrong into a right, and even though I said they did not have to do that, but they still did it. Awesome. Bye, guys.